side, just missed the line. It was a tough angle to work with.
Talala, talala.
Bella Belen, simula nung pinasok siya, hindi na rin linabas. So she's been very steady for the Philippines. Of course, if you are just joining us now, in this match, you're seeing the ace that's coming from Indonesia now. The Philippines really took advantage of big serves in set 3. Pero balik na nangyayari ngayon. Also, Alexis Manuel
Palurin na ako dyan. I'm just gonna wait until Titi pops up. That's what I do. Oh my! I hate this game.
It was a 25-13 blowout in favor of the Philippines in set 3.
Teka lang.
Distance. You need to watch that back when you can, because that is when you will see Alas Filipinas athletes
Rapid drop! Dapat dyan!
so much cohesion. They played such a clean game. Errors. So you see their potential in that third set. Combination attack. That would work for Indonesia.
This hacks works.
Indonesia, you
When
really want
you like
more plays like that kasi napaka-efficient.
boop 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 boop. So cool, right? So cool, right? Just kidding. It's by my hands. Yeah, it's by my hands like this. Just tap on the balloon and then go super fast and boat. So I'm just gonna wait a second.
Talked about her. You know, she needs to step up in this fourth set. Indonesia up by 2-4.
Okay. Say that.
It was not scores. You're asking for that. Matagal na rin. Wala ka na pumuntos ito si Gia de Guzman. Kaya hindi magpapalagpas ng game yan si Gia without her naglag. The right hand.
Taga. Jijip
Tuloy
tayo.
mga picture na ganito kayo.
Papa, pag jijip tayo pagpunta tayo si SM. Papa, jijip pa tayo pagpunta tayo si SM.
Ano na?
Jijip.
Ano?
Jijip tayo pagpunta tayo